What is keratin shampoo? This is a shampoo with the protein of keratin. Keratin helps to rebuild the protein structure of your damaged hair. This should leave your hair silky and smooth. These are the benefits of keratin shampoo. It helps strengthen hair, prevent frizz, prevent heat damage, prevent hair breakage, and lead to straighter strands. The Luxe Organix Premium Keratin Shampoo with virgin coconut oil. This penetrates the cuticles to nourish and hydrate dry and damaged hair that gives vibrant and healthy condition to your hair. The Luxe Organix Premium Keratin Shampoo enriched with argan oil. This shampoo nourishes chemically treated hair and leaving it soft, smooth, and manageable. The Luxe Organix Premium Keratin Shampoo with castor oil. This shampoo, rich in antioxidants, rich in fatty acids, helps nourish hair follicles, giving you stronger, longer, and thicker hair. This keratin shampoo with coconut oil, argan oil, and castor oil is perfect for daily use. It is paraben-free and formulated in Canada. These shampoos are suitable for all hair types. Thank you for watching. Till next time.